Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best dash cams in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Thinkware X1000 Dual Channel Dashcam 2K QHD 2560 1440 front and rear cam. 156 degrees wide-angle dashboard camera recorder with G-sensor, Sony sensor, parking mode, 3.5 LCD touchscreen, night vision. Capable yet accessible. Thinkware's X1000 comes bundled with everything you need to record front and rear. Our tests found a lot to like about the X1000. Its best attribute is its ease of use. With a large 3.5-inch touchscreen and icon-based interface, it's simple to configure and there's no need to rely on a smartphone partner app. Installing the X1000 requires the use of several sticky pads, and we did feel that the user guide could have been more comprehensive in helping to navigate setup. Capture settings can be tweaked via the touchscreen, but we found that it worked well right out of the box. Results from both cameras were impressive, with plenty of crisp detail and decent dynamic range, even in dim and dark conditions. If you're looking for a stress-free and reliable dashcam, the X1000 gets plenty right. Number 4. Mio 5 Front and Rear Dash Camera 4K plus 2K Dual Dashcam with 5G Wi-Fi, GPS, speed, 2160 UHD recorder, built-in 128G eMMC storage, night vision, motion detection, G-sensor powered by supercapacitor. Take car travel to the next level with Mio 5 front and rear dashcam system with 4K plus 2K resolutions. A must-have addition to vehicles' electronics, this dashboard camera for cars uses cutting-edge AI algorithms, night vision and motion detection to safeguard your most precious cargo. Capture footage in front of you and behind you with ultra-wide viewing angles, larger color field and a rear camera, so you never miss a moment of your epic road trips. Footage is recorded and saved to the built-in 128G eMMC storage. Use 5G Wi-Fi connectivity and the Mio 5 app to live you the journey for more smiles per mile. Number 3. Vantrue In2 Pro Uber Dual Dashcam Infrared Night Vision Dual Channel 1080p front and inside dashcam 2.5K single front car accident dash camera 24 hours motion sensor parking mode. Support 256 GB max. Relatively compact for a dual-lens dashcam, the Vantrue In2 Pro records a detailed view of the road ahead and your vehicle's interior. Designed with taxi drivers in mind, it forgoes many of the extras which your car is already likely to have, including speed camera alerts and collision warnings. That simplicity extends to its connectivity, a factor we liked in testing. With no Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or smartphone app, it's a self-contained dashcam that gets on with the job of capturing events. The only feature we did miss was GPS tracking, although Vantrue sells an optional GPS windscreen mount. We were happily surprised by the video quality. The cameras can record full HD footage in both directions, capturing video that's smooth, sharp, and clear, matched by decent audio. Number 2. VIOFO 3-channel dashcam front and rear inside 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p triple car camera. Built-in Wi-Fi GPS car dashboard camera recorder, 24-hour parking mode, IR night vision for taxi driver, a 139. A 3-camera setup is overkill for almost everyone outside of the professional driving community. But if you do require coverage of your vehicle's front, rear, and interior, VIOFO's package offers a lot for the money. The compact design means you can stick it in place without obstructing the windshield, although you need to plan your placement as each unit is fixed with adhesive patches. Initial setup requires routing numerous wires in the car's headliner or under the carpet, which can be quite tricky. The VIOFO app, iOS and Android, isn't the slickest either. In our tests, the front camera's footage was generally good enough in most scenarios. VIOFO utilizes Sony Starvis image sensors, which perform well in low-light conditions. Number 1. Garmin DriveCam 76 Large, easy-to-read 7 GPS car navigator, built-in dash cam, automatic incident detection, high-resolution bird's-eye satellite imagery. Keep an extra eye on your drive with the Garmin DriveCam 76 GPS navigator with built-in dash cam. Some jurisdictions regulate or prohibit use of the camera function of this device. It is your responsibility to know and comply with applicable laws and rights to privacy in jurisdictions where you plan to use the camera section of this device. It continually records and saves video of detected incidents. Video clips are automatically stored in the secure online vault to view and share later using the Garmin DriveCam app on your compatible smartphone. Garmin Voice Assist lets you tell the Navigator where you want to go, and the Sharp 7 display with map updates of North America show you the way. With map coverage of the US, Mexico, Canada, Puerto Rico, US Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, and Bahamas.